Most people think the HK G3 is a Cold War rifle from the 1960s, but its story actually begins in the 1950s. After World War II, Germany was banned from making weapons. Meanwhile, in Spain, a group of engineers, many of them former German designers, were quietly working on a revolutionary rifle at CETME. Instead of using a traditional gas system, they created something radical for its time: roller-delayed blowback. No gas tube, fewer moving parts, and extreme reliability in dirt, sand, and harsh conditions. By the mid-1950s, CETME had produced early prototypes called Modello A and B. These rifles fired an experimental 7.62 cartridge and proved that the roller system could handle a full-power battle rifle. In 1957, the design evolved into the CETME Modello C, now chambered for 7.62 by 51 mm NATO, the same cartridge used by rifles like the FN-AFL and M14. This rifle weighed about 4.4 kilograms unloaded, fed from a 20-round detachable magazine, and was designed for effective fire out to 400 meters with iron sights. In 1959, Heckler Koch the license and refined the design. West Germany officially adopted it as the Gewehr 3, or simply the G3. This original 1959 was very different from later versions. It had a wooden fixed stock, a slim metal handguard, and classic rotary drawn iron sights. No plastic, no weight, no optics. It could fire in semi-automatic or full automatic, though the powerful 7.62 NATO round made full auto difficult to control. But what it did have was legendary durability. That 1950s design would go on to serve in over 30 countries, fight in conflicts across multiple continents, and inspire famous weapons like the MP5 and PSG-1. If you enjoy learning the real history and mechanics behind legendary firearms, subscribe to the channel for more short, accurate breakdowns like this. Stay warm.